Hello, welcome to another Yusuf Onabekun video on my YouTube channel where I talk about business, marketing and advertising. On today's video, we'll be talking about how you can use Quora to generate content ideas that can be used on your social media. Note that what I'll be showing you today has been what I've been using for a while now, and I've seen various results all over my social media platforms, and I would not want to miss much of your time. Now let's say you are into this is how Quora look like. Quora is quora.com, quora.com, and it looks like this. Anybody can register on Quora. You can use it to write stuff, share content. This is like a Facebook card but dedicated for where you can share your expertise, what people need to know about you, what you can also let people understand at you. And we are all familiar with the almighty TikTok. This is my TikTok channel, and if you see, you can see the rate of engagement, you can see the number of likes, you can look at it. Now what am I going to show you today? I'm going to show you how I've been able to use Quora to generate these various topic ideas that I came from, that I'm sharing here. And this has been how my, without running any advert of any, like, this is how it has looked like for the past 2 months, and this is how it looks like for the past 1 month. Now, give or take, to some people this might not be much, but to me this is much, which is if your followers can be having this sort of interaction with you, from video views to audience reach, and you can easily check out the breakdown. There is no such of any advert or anything that is going on it. Now, without much further ado, let's say for instance I'm going to use one of these. Let's say I want to answer a question on email marketing. Now if you look at it down by this side, I've set up um, subscribe to spaces whereby I want to relate to it. So I click on email marketing. When I click on email marketing, all I just need to do is I just need to go to this answer session every day. On any of this session or any of this thing that I've choose, you can see people asking various questions. Now all you just need to do is just use all these various questions and answer them every day. You can decide to use video route, or you can decide to use a write-up route. So let's say you're in the accounting firm now let's say accounting. Yeah, this is accounting. I don't know the kind of question that will be there, even though I have a background in accounting. Now if you look at this, what can be learned from an accountant? Like, how do I maintain accounting for a kizard business? You can decide to now start answering this, and like this you start creating your content. Now what I do is I make sure that I don't want to do much on my YouTube or my TikTok channel, because I want it to be just straight to the fact. So I always encourage people, yes, TikTok allow you to record up to, like, I think 2 minute video now, but it depends on what you are looking for on TikTok. Like for me, I just want to answer people's questions, so I come to Quora, I look at the question people are asking me related to Facebook ad, how to advertise and stuff like that, and I just go on my TikTok and I just record it. Now if you can see the traction that it generates, averagely 100 views per day, which is a substantial amount. All you just need to do is just to be consistent with it. Now the interesting thing is, this same video that I have on TikTok here is what I eventually share on my channel without any stress. So what am I trying to let you know is that this is how you can use TikTok and Quora to generate endless videos that you can use for your social media without having any issue with that. But if you want to buy my paid course on how I broke down how to use this TikTok viral effect, and how you can use it for your business, and now you can even use optimize it for other social media, click on the link in the subscription below and get a copy now. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.